Hi students, in this session we are discussing one of the important chapter in political science, and even in your class in 8th standard first lesson in political science, that is here they given meaning and importance of political science. So in this class we are discussing why we want to study the political science, means why we want to get the knowledge about political science and what was the meaning of political science or definition of political science. And next we are discussing how this subject is came as a study material, or who are the peoples they given contribution to develop political science. And last point we are discussing in this session, what was the importance to study a political science. That means why we want to study a political science, or what was the knowledge we are getting, or what was the quality we are getting if we are studied about the political science. So these are the matters we are discussing in this session. First one we are discussing introduction of political science, means definition, and who are peoples they given contribution, or Indians also they are given contribution, that also we are discussing. Afterwards, what was the importance, why we want to study the political science. So these are the matters we are discussing in this session. So first of all we want to know basic points we want to discuss. What was the knowledge we are getting if we are studying about political science? Basic knowledge. What was the basic knowledge we are getting if we are studied the political science? First of all, here they given, this is one of the social science. Political science is a part of social science. This is definition. So political science is a part of social science, and this one related, here they given this one dealing the political activities of a man. What was the activities? That also political activities, means administrative purpose of matters. What was the matters is human beings can do in a particular society. So these are the matters dealing by political science. That means now we understood, we are studying in political science what was the activities we can do in our society. Human beings, what was the activities they can do in our society. So these are the matters we are discussing in political science. And next one here they given not only human activities, we are discussing here in political science, here they given it deals state and government. In this political science, when you are discussing about the political science, when you are studying the political science, we are getting knowledge about state and what is meant by government, and what was the activities want to do by government, and which place or which was the structures we can call as a state. So these are the matters we are discussing in political science. First one, human activities. Second one, state and government. Okay, next one here they given. Next, once again we are discussing in this political science origin and nature of state and forms of political institutions. We are discussing, or when you are getting the knowledge about political science, we are knowing about how state is origin or created, or which place we can call as a state, or what was the quality need to create a state. So these are the knowledge we are getting when you are studying the political science. And next one here they given, and forms of political institutions. We can see there are so many political institutions in our surrounding area, political parties or administrative bodies. We can see these like of different types of political institutions. For example, judiciary, legislature, executive, election commissions, political parties. These are the institutions we are discussing. What was the contribution, what was the powers we are given to that particular institutions. So these are the matters deals by political science. So that means now we understood what is meant by political science. Political science deals with human activities, political human activities, and state and government, origin of states and nature of states, and origin and natures of political institutions. These are the matters we are discussing in political science. So that means now we understood the main topic, which topic we are studying in our political science. We are studying about state. That is the main or basic point. Political science is a study of state. So now we are understood what is meant by political science. Political science is a science, social science is a part of social science. It deals states, or we are studying about states. Another point, we are discussing about political activities of human beings. So this only called as a political science. Now we are understood. Now next we want to discuss about how this one political science came by in our society, or who is introduced by this one as a subject. Because of, if any one subject if it came, is there some of the history, or if is there some of the peoples, they only given the contribution. So on this based we can see some of the subjects came. So on this based we already discussed history also, how this one history came. We have discussed this one in 6th standard also. Is one of the important person, Herodotus. He given contribution. He studied history as a systematic manner, and he given definition. And what is history? He given full information about the systematically given information about history. So we are called as a father of history. Who is for your calling father of history? Herodotus. Same way, here also in political science, some of the peoples or some of them, they given systematic manner of study. So on this based now we can see one of the important subject in social science, that is political science. Without the political science, without the knowledge of political activities, we cannot live in our society. So on this based we want to should learn about political science. So on this based now we want to know who are they given, who are the peoples they came, and who are they given contribution to study a political science. So first of all we want to know who is given systematical manner to study a political science. Is Greek. Greece or Greek peoples, they given first time they given contribution to about the political science as a systematic manner, means step by step. They given or they written in books. What is mean by politicals? What is state? What is government? How peoples they want to work in state. So these are the matters they written in the particular books. So that's why we are saying we studied systematically political science, Greek. So now we want to know some of them. They arise the question, why only Greek only they studied about the political science, or any others people they did not given any contribution? No. Other some country people also they given contribution about political science before the Greek. Before the Greek, some of the other countries peoples they also given contribution about political science, but Greek they implemented political science as a systematic manner. But others they mention in other subject, mixed with other subject, but Greeks they did not did. They contributed political science as a separate subject, and they given separate shape. So that's why we are discussing they are studied systematically manner of political science. So now we want to discuss who are others peoples they given contribute about political science. So here they given one by one name. First one Egyptians, second one here they given Babylonians, next one Persians, and Indians, last one Chinese. We also given contribute about study of political science, but we are not given as a systematic manner. We are discussed about political science or political activities, but mixed with other subject. We are given contribution, but we are not given separate. We are given contribute with mix of other subject. But Greeks, they implemented political activities as a separate manner, that also systematic manner. So now we want to know who are Greeks they given systematic manner to develop a political science. So here they given Greeks first time they studied political science as a independent subject. I already told no. Others who are they given contribution, Egyptians, Babylonians, or including Indians also. Example, in India one of the important person came. Person name is Kautilya. He came in Maurya dynasty. He given contribution about state and government, but he given in part of economics. He did not given as a separate part. Same way in other countries also. So on this based, now you are understood. Independently, who is studied political science? Greek. Others all are they mixed with other subject, but Greeks, they studied they decided political science is one of the independent subject that is not mixed with any other part. So this is one of the important points. So we are saying as they are studied systematic manner. And second one, some of the important peoples they came and they given contribution. So here they given one by one. For example, here they given first person. Here they given by Socrates. Sorry, before that we want to know Plato. Plato is one of the important person. He only given first time about the study of systematic study of political science. He only given first time contribution how or why we want to study a political science. So on this page we can see he given, here they given Greek philosophers Socrates and Plato. They only given the more contribution about study of political science. One is Plato, second one is Socrates. Socrates teacher is Plato. Plato disciple Socrates. So Plato, here they given, he written one of the important book. That book name is here they given Republic. In that books, he mentioned or he written in that book what was the functions, and here they given another one of state and government. What was the nature of the or function of the state and government? What was the work they want to do, state or government? He divided the powers, state and government. Which work want to do by state, which work want to do by government, or which place we can call as a state and which body we can call as a government. And he mentioned which government is suitable to rule in a particular place. So this is one of the important person, Plato. He written in book Republic. In that book he mentioned about the functions of state and government. After that, another important person came. Person name is the Socrates disciple. That person name is Aristotle. He is one of the important person. He studied political science as a systematic manner, and he gave more contribution, given perfect definition about political science. So on this based, now we are calling as Aristotle father of political science. How Herodotus they given contribution about history, how we are calling as a father of history. Same way in this subject, means in political science, is Aristotle one of the important person. He studied systematical manner about the political science and he given contribution. So on this based, now we are given title for Aristotle, that is the father of political science. After that, here they given, he also studied by, he has written one of the important book. That book name is here they given the Politics. This is one of the important books or famous book on that time. So what was the matters he mentioned in that book? So here they given first one. Here he mentioned about, here they given the origin, development and functions of the state. How state is created or how state came. And next one, how we can develop state. And last one, what was the functions want to do by state for peoples. So these are the matters mentioned by Aristotle in his book. That book name is the Politics. Plato written, that book name is the Republic. Aristotle written, that book name is the Politics. Not only these are the peoples, I already told, in India also one of the important person, he also given contribution about political science. So that person name Kautilya. He written Arthashastra or economics. In that book also, he studied or he mentioned about what was the principles want to adapt by state and government. Political principles. He that only said political principles. What was the quality want to maintain by a king? Or if you call any one state as the state or dynasty, he mentioned some of the points. If is there that all the points, we can call as that particular place as a state. But I already told, he did not given as an independent manner, he mixed with other subjects. But he came before the Aristotle, before the Plato, before the Socrates. But he did not given systematic manner. So that's why we are calling father of political science is Aristotle. So next we want to discuss how this one political science, that word came or derived. How political science word came or derived. So here they given this one already we are knowing, because of political science they given, or who is given more contribution of political science? Greek. That means now we want to know generally the word came by in the language of Greek. The politics, that word came by in a language of Greek. So here they given in Greek, they called as a polis. Okay, what is meant by polis? Polis means city and state. So that means they are studying in beginning, Greek peoples, or who are the political thinkers, they discussed about what is meant by political science. Political science studying about city and state. Means on the time Greek peoples, they called for city and state. How they called that one particular place? They called as a polis. So in this based political science or political or politics, this one came by Greek word or Greek language. But after the modern states or modern thinkers, when they came scholars about the political science, they given, there is so much of extra contribution about field of political science. On this based now, in beginning they called as a political science is the study of city and state, but nowadays the definition is extended. We are not studying only about the city or the state, we are discussing other matters also in political science. So here they mention political science, we can see studying about origin, development, nature, administrations, type, scope of the states and right and duties of the citizens. Political science is study of all the facts of state. What was the matters or what was the contents we are seeing in our state or in our society, these all are included, the body is political science. We are discussing each by each rights of a citizen, by birth to till death. What was the powers, rights, duties and responsibility. So these are the matters we are discussing in political science. And not only this one, nowadays political institutions, political functions and political theories also nowadays came. These also useful for create one of the developed state or government. So there are so many other thinkers also came in political science. They given so much of contribution about the field of political science. These are the main importance points about political science. Means what is meant by political science? It deals with political activities of a man, or it deals state or government, or it deals origin of the state or functions of government. And we discussed who are the peoples they given contribution about the political science. First of all Greek. Before that we are knowing so many peoples, others also they given contribution. For example, Egyptians, Babylonians, Indians, Chinese. So they also given a contribution, but systematically given contribution by Greek. And next one we have discussed what was the contribution or what was the books they given contributed by Greek peoples. One is Plato, he written the Republic, and Aristotle, he written the book The Politics. And we discussed how this one political science or political or politics, this one came, derived the word. This one came in Greek language. In Greek is called as a polis. Polis means city and state. So these are the important points, introduction points in importance and meanings of political science. Okay, next class we can discuss about what was the importance if we are studying political science, or why we want to study a political science. So these are the matters we can discuss in next class. Okay, thank you.